Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a new AI tool called Stockimg.ai. Stockimg.ai is a powerful AI-powered tool that can help you create stunning, high-quality stock images in seconds. With Stockimg.ai, you can create images of anything you can imagine, from realistic scenes to fantastical creations.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Stockimg.ai to create your own stock images. I'll also share some tips and tricks for getting the most out of this amazing tool.
Using this AI tool, you can generate wallpapers, stock images, logos, posters, illustration, book covers, QR codes, etc.
So without any delay, let's get started.
To use this AI tool, you have to come on the Stockimg.ai website and create an account.
Links are given in the description box. You can come to the homepage of this AI tool directly by clicking on the links.
Here on this page, you can see there are many tools available to use. You can use all these tools according to your needs.
Below this page, you see the many types of images created by others using this platform. Now let's create an account.
To create your account, you have to click on the Try for Free option. If you have already created your account on this platform, then you can log in directly from this option. On this page, you can sign up using your Google account or using your email ID. I am going to use my email ID.
So write your full name on this box. Then write your email ID. And choose a strong password.
After that, accept terms and conditions by clicking on this. And click on the Sign Up option.
Now you can see a confirmation mail has been sent to your email ID. So open your email and confirm the email address.
Now here you can see the pop-up of your email confirmation. Your email has been confirmed. You're good to go.
So enter your email and password, then click on Login. Here you will come to the homepage of this AI tool. Here you may choose the best plan according to your needs. I am using a free plan right now. So I clicked on the free plan. Then click on Subscribe for $0 every month option.
Now here you can see your credits.
I have only one credit right now, because we are using a free plan. From this option, you can generate a new project.
On the below, you can see the categories of all types of tools. And you have to choose what you want to create from here. For example, I want to generate a wallpaper, so click on Generate option.
Now, on this page, you have many options. On the left side, you can see all types of tools. If you want to change your tool, you can reselect from here. For examples, I have selected a wallpaper generator tool, but now I want to generate a logo, then I can select from here. You can select and use any tool. Now let's generate a wallpaper image.
So write your prompt in the box. You can see some suggestions. Choose your image dimension.
Select your model according to your need. And choose pieces of images. We are using a free plan, so we can choose only one piece image.
By the advanced option, you can fill in some more details in your image. Private session. By this option you can choose who can see your generated images. Now you can discover some images from this option.
It will show you related to your prompt and need. You can try these images also. You can edit any images. You have many options like download, duplicate, and delete, etc.
In the layout option, you may change image layout.
And in the effects option, you can see there are many options to use in your images like stroke, shadow, brightness, blur, and more.
On the right side, you can see some more useful options available. Let's see one by one all options.
Frame settings. By this option, you can change your image frame and frame color. You will find some frame suggestions also like Instagram post, TikTok video, Facebook post, YouTube video, etc. In the project section, you can see your project.
Templates. By this option, you can select and change your templates, as you can see. Elements. By this option, you may add some elements in your images.
Text. If you want to add some text in your image, then you can add and edit from here.
Upload. By this option, you can upload an image.
Background. To change your image background, use this option.
Layers. From this option, you can see all your layers and lock your layers also.
So, I have told you about all options now.
In the below page there are some options, like undo, redo, zoom in, zoom out, hand and move. You can use these options when editing your image.
On the top of the page, you have to write your project name.
Now let's come back to generate images by the history option. So choose history and click on generate option. Now wait and watch.
You can see my image has been generated. This image is an example only. If you want to generate the best image, then you have to write the best prompt.
Now click on the export option and select your file type and write the file name. Then click the download option. Now your image will be downloaded. You can download any images from Discover options without any coins.
In conclusion, I would like to say that Stockimg.ai tool is too good to use. I encourage you to try this AI tool today and see what you can create. So this was today's video. I hope you enjoy this video and learn something new. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about AI and technology. Thanks for watching.